Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over some of the Linux commands I use for directories. Basically how to list the content of directories, how to create directories, navigate to a directory, and remove a directory. So let's get started. Let me make my images smaller. And I am logged in to my home desktop running Ubuntu 22.04, and one of the services I'm running, it's the SSH client server. And the first command for the directory is the ls. Actually, let's go with the pwd, print working directory. So the pwd, that's the first command we use. Enter. It will give you the current directory where you are in the system. So right now I am at the home George KC directory. The second one you can use is ls to list the content of a directory, which is ls. Enter. And the ls will give you, this is the most basic form of using ls, and there are so many flags and options you can use depending on what content you are looking for. Are you looking for directories and files? Are you looking for the hidden files or what? There are a lot of options. You can check them out in the manual pages. And the other one is the cd. When you navigate from your current directory to a new directory, you use the cd command. It means it's abbreviation of change directory, and then you have to specify the destination directory. So for example, since this directory has one of the test, let's say test live, that's test dir1, that's test dir2. So let's say I want to navigate to test dir1, which is in this current directory. I just type cd, and then I type the name of the directory, which is test dir1 in this case. And if I hit enter, and then I am at the test dir directory, and you see it in the prompt here. And if you want to confirm, you just use pwd, and that's where I am, and it's under the George KC and home directory. So the other one is the remove directory. And if you want to remove a directory which is empty first, you have to use rmdir. So let's say I want to remove, let's make sure it's empty. Okay, there's nothing in it. So if I want to remove test dir1, I use the command rmdir, dir, test dir1. Okay, it says no such file. Okay, I have to go up one level. So let's go up one level. Okay, let's use it now. So rmdir, test dir1, enter, and let's see if it was removed. If I do a listing now, you shouldn't see the test dir1 ls. Okay, and if you look here, you're not gonna see it. It was removed. So this is how you remove a directory, and to be specific, an empty directory, rmdir test dir. If the directory has some files in it, you have to use some options here. I think it's -r or f, or there's some options you have to use, but I won't go in this right now. I'm just going in a basic format. So let's clear the screen. Okay, now let's go to how to create a directory. So since I removed the test directory 1, let me just see, yeah, it was here. Let me create it again. So I have test dir2 here. I'm gonna recreate test dir1. So the way I do it is mk, abbreviation for make, mkdir space, and you specify the name of the directory, in this case test dir1, and the system will create test dir1 in the current directory. So if I hit enter now, and let's see, let's do a listing, and this is test dir1, you see it here. So that's it for this video. So again, we went over how to list the content of a directory using ls. Then we went over how to print your current directory to find out where you are in the system, which is pwd. And then we use the cd command to navigate from one directory to another, from your current directory to a new directory, and you have to specify the destination. And then we went over the remove rm dir, that removes a directory, an empty one. If you want to remove a full one, there are other options you have to use. And there's one more. If you want to move directory from one place to another, you use the mv or mv dir, I think. Yeah, let's try it. mv dir. And you have to specify the directory. Let's say I want to move directory 1 to test directory 2. So move dir test dir 1 to test dir 2. So basically I'm trying to move directory test dir 1 to directory test dir 2. So mv, and I think you can use mv, not mvdir, but let's try to see if it goes. Enter. Okay, it didn't go. Okay, I think you have to use the mv, just like the files. So let's try it. mv. Yeah, that's it. mv you have to use, just like a file. So the move command you can use for a directory and for a file. So let's check to make sure it was moved to dir 1. The thing is, in Linux, it does not give you an approval notice, like I said before. Or sometimes if there's an error, it will give you an error message, but sometimes it does not give you approval that you did something correct. So that's why you have to confirm. So let me clear the screen. ls. Okay, so you don't see test dir 1 anymore, and you just see test dir 2. And what we did is move test dir 1 to test dir 2. So let's find out the content of test dir 2 to confirm. So ls test dir 2, and this is how you list the content of a directory. ls, and then you specify the path. And now the path is, we are in a current directory, so you don't have to do anything here. So enter, and as you see, test dir 1 is in test dir 2. So it means that if you made it this far, I want to thank you for your patience and being attentive to the video. And I want to offer you a 30% discount coupon on my course if you are interested. And just follow this link here, join my email list, and in the first welcome message after you confirm your subscription, you'll get a welcome message with a 30% coupon that you can apply to the course. Thank you again for attending.